Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm spending the evening with my kids, and what better way to do that than to cook up an easy snack. So here we are making the typical Nigerian buns. Do you know you can make your buns without yeast? Yes, you had that right. All you need is your condensed milk, large egg, nutmeg, flour, vanilla extract, baking powder, and a pinch of salt, and you're good to go. I'll be leaving a full list of the ingredients in the description box below. For more interesting videos like this, please don't forget to use the subscribe and like button. First, you want to go in with your condensed milk, then a half cup of water, and whisk thoroughly. This will help reduce the thickness of the condensed milk. Having my daughter do this with me in the kitchen is everything. Beyond her getting the knowledge, it also affords us the opportunity to discuss how our day went, and this further increases our bonding. In what other activities do you bond with your little ones? Feel free to leave tips in the comment section. At this point, we've added all our wet ingredients and given it a good mix. Next, we are going to go in with our dry ingredients and mix them all together. And the outcome is going to be our buns batter. There you have it. Our buns batter is ready. You will want to fry this on low to medium heat. You don't want to use high heat so your buns doesn't get burnt before it gets done. So we are frying on low to medium heat. I'm scooping in my batter with a spoon. Feel free to use your palm if that works best for you. You want to keep an eye on this and turn regularly so you don't end up with a burnt buns. So there you have it. Our buns is ready. Crunchy on the outside and soft inside. Also here I placed my fried buns in a paper towel so as to drain the excess oil. My kids and I can't wait to devour this yummy goodness. Pair this with any cold drink of your choice and thank me for it.